Hi everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a clean, professional email footer inside Klaviyo. We'll walk through where to find the template builder, how to add sections and blocks, how to insert your company information and unsubscribe link, and how to style everything so it fits your brand. Let's get started. First, from your Klaviyo dashboard, head over to the left-hand menu and click on Content. Then select Templates and choose Create Template. You can start with a blank template or pick a pre-built layout. Either option works great, but starting with a clean layout gives you full control to build your footer exactly the way you want it. Inside the drag and drop editor, you'll notice two important areas. On the left, you have all your building blocks: text, images, buttons, social links, and more. On the right, you'll find styling controls, where you can edit fonts, colors, spacing, and other design settings. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of your email. This is where your footer will live. If your template doesn't already include a footer section, just click Add Section. This creates a blank space that you can fill with all the elements required in an email footer. Next, drag a text block into your new footer section. This is where you'll add important details like your company name and physical address. Instead of typing everything manually, use Klaviyo's personalization tags. Just click the personalization icon, choose Organization, and you'll see options to insert your company name, address, and other details automatically. Now add your unsubscribe link. Again, use the personalization menu and choose Unsubscribe Link. This link is legally required and ensures your subscribers can manage their preferences easily. If you'd like to include social media icons, just drag in a social links block. You can add your Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or any other platforms. This is a great way to drive more engagement outside your emails. Font size, colors, spacing, and alignment until it looks perfect. Then click on Preview and Test to send yourself a test email and check how everything looks on both desktop and mobile. And that's it. You now have a polished, reusable email footer inside Klaviyo. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.